Salam sejahtera to Dr. Rashidah. My name is Naveen, and I'll be showing you the progress I've made throughout my progress to based on the system that I've pitched, which is CRYPTRANSFER, a hybrid encryption decryption system that uses AES and RSA for encryption and decryption. So let's move on, and I'll be using two different type of devices, which is the emulator as shown in the my laptop, and an actual device to perform authentication when the sender is sending the file. So now we'll move on to the steps. So as you can see now, both the proposer and the partner has been pitched, and the active connection has been made. So from Naveen, you can see test 1, 2, 3, and from test connection you can see Naveen. So the active connection has been made, but the roles have not been decided yet. So now we'll have to click onto the user so that we can choose the specific operations we want to make. So from test 1, 2, 3, I would like to receive the file, and from Naveen, I would like to send the file. So on the sender's page, we'll be waiting for the receiver to perform the RSA key generation. It'll be sent, and that's when the the sender gets to perform the action of attaching the file and encrypting the file with the AES key. So now we'll be generating the RSA key pair. So generation is done, and you have to turn on the receiving mode. So this is when we get to know that the sender has sent their public key. So we have to re-verify and trust. It's a little bit buggy, and I'll have to work on it again. So now I will select the file, which should be a test.txt file. And with this file, I'm supposed to perform an encryption with AES key. So the AES key is done quickly because the test file is pretty light. So now I'll be encrypting the key, and now it will be asking for an authentication from this Android key store. So here you'll be able to use fingerprint or face to perform the authentication. So I'll be using a face, and I'm verified. So I'll confirm. So that's when I get to send the encrypted file. So the file has been sent successfully from the sender's point of view. And we'll move on to the receiver's point of view. So the incoming file has been sent. So I'll proceed to decrypt. So once decryption is done, I'll be able to preview the file with the HTML viewer just once probably. This is a test file. It's created for testing the purpose, for testing purpose. So I'll save and continue. After that, a session summary is shown. So this is where I can actually end the session. And sender on the other hand is still waiting for a secure session to be closed by receiver. So the session has been closed, and both the users are redirected back home. So if you were to ask me what are the specific things that I have implemented, it would be Google authentication and adding another authentication when encrypting and generating RSA key. The reason I'm yet to input the biometric the biometric layer into it is because I'm using an emulator, and it would be difficult to perform verification, and there'd be a lot of logical issues. So that is something that I would like to work on too as I'm getting into it. And I would like to perform more security tests. I've performed all the um, logical audits for the transfer process to make sure that the transfer process works properly. The remaining are mostly more to what the user profile is supposed to have, the key vaults, and the admin dashboard and settings. I'm yet to add a lot of functionalities into the sub collection of sidebar. I would like to work on to it even more. And the admin dashboard has been implemented. It's just that it's very buggy, and I'm not really sure about how I'm going to navigate this. But I will look into it, and I'll make sure the interface is more seamless, and it's more consistent to what kind of system we have over here. So that's all from me. Thank you.